So I just want to give you a quick demo of the final project. I have this deployed right now to workopia.dev, but I'm not sure how long I'm going to leave it live, so it may or may not be there by the time you watch this. So we're using Laravel. We're going to be using Blade templates with components. So we're going to look at everything like the header, even the links in the header, the hero, the search, the banners, the job cards are all going to be Blade components that can take in props, similar to what you would do with React or a front-end JavaScript framework. And then for any interactive elements, we're going to be using Alpine.js, which is a lightweight JavaScript framework where we can basically just add in certain attributes, dynamic attributes into our Blade templating, into our HTML to have interactive elements. For instance, to open the side menu here. Also, when we show alerts, we'll have those pop up and disappear or dismiss on their own using Alpine. Also, when we apply to a job, there's a modal that we'll use Alpine for. All right, so we have a search here. So if I search for like market, then anything that has market in it is going to pop up. We can search for location. So nothing with market and Boston, but if I just search for Boston, then we get this. And then we have all of our listings on the home page and on this jobs page. And the search is also on the home page and the jobs page. And then if we look at details, we see the job info, like the requirements, the benefits, or the company info. And if we're logged in, we can bookmark the job and apply for the job. We also have Mapbox integration. So let's log in real quick. I'm just going to use my test user. And we're going to do a lot of database seeding so that we can quickly add users and data to the database, factories and seeding. So let me just log in here. All right, that's just a LastPass thing. But you can see the message here, and that goes away. That's from Alpine. We're going to have avatar uploads, right? And if I click on that, it takes me to my profile where I can update my info. I can upload an avatar if I want. I'll just choose something here. So I can upload that. And then I have my listings here, as well as any applicants that apply will show underneath. And of course, I can edit and delete my listings here as well. And if I go to a listing, now I have my bookmark button. So if I click that, that will bookmark the job. And I can go to save jobs now. And this is all my bookmark jobs. All right, now if I want to apply, I now have the Apply Now button with a modal, and I'll just fill that in with some dummy data. And you can upload your resume. So I'll just grab this PDF here and submit application. And then the owner of that will see that in their dashboard. Okay, actually I could apply to my own job if I want, and then just show you that. So if I just choose, and the resume is required, so we need to upload that. And then if I go back to my dashboard, now I can see applicants and I can download the resume. Okay, so that will download it. I can also obviously delete the applicants. And then to create a job, we would click here, fill out all this info. We can upload a logo. And then if I want to edit, of course, we can edit the job. But yeah, so that's pretty much the core of what we're doing. And we're going to do things in certain ways and then refactor just to kind of learn what is actually happening instead of having you just copy everything, from start to finish. We'll take, little side quests and talk about certain concepts, talk about what MVC is and things like that. All right, so that's it. Let's go ahead and jump to the next video where we're going to talk a little bit more about what Laravel actually is and what it offers.